डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू इन दिस लेक्चर। तो इस लेक्चर में हमने नया चैप्टर शुरू किया है विच इज़ टाइटल्ड हियर एज मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। ठीक है, तो नया चैप्टर आपके केमिस्ट्री पोर्शन से मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स। सबसे पहले हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि मेटल्स क्या है। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेटल्स और द एलिमेंट्स which form positive ions by losing electrons. Thus metals are known as electropositive elements. आप इतना याद रख सकते हैं that metals are the electropositive elements. So metals are electropositive elements because they form positive ions by losing an electron. Got it here? Now let us discuss here some physical properties of metals. ठीक है, तो पहली physical property जो metals की है वो है hardness. Most of the metals are hard except alkali metals such as sodium, potassium, lithium, etc. They are very soft metals and can be cut by using a knife. Now this point is clear. All metals are hard. There are certain exceptions like sodium, potassium and lithium. Now second physical property of metals, that is strength. Most of the metals, they are strong and have high tensile strength. For example, copper and iron, they are very hard. So most of the metals, they are strong and they have high tensile strength. Third important physical property is state. Dear students, metals are solids at room temperature. We can say that all metals are solids at room temperature, but there is some exception, like except for mercury, जिसका symbol Hg है, which is liquid at the room temperature. Got it here? One more physical property, that is sound. Metals produce ringing sound, so metals are called snorers. If you touch the metal, if you press the metal, if you strike the metal, it will produce a sound, so metals are snorers. And number 50 is here conduction. Metals are a good conductor of heat and electricity. For example, copper, aluminum, etc. You know it very well that wires, they are made up of copper and aluminum. Malleability, important property of the metals here. So malleability, metals are malleable, they are malleable. What does that mean? That means that they can be beaten into a thin sheet. So metals can be drawn into a thin sheet, for example iron. So after malleability, there is one more physical property of metals which is called ductility. Metals are ductile. What does that mean? That means they can be drawn into a thin wire. Got it here? So metals have melting and boiling points. Metals have generally high melting and boiling points. You have to remember this point. And one more physical property here, that is density. So most of the metals, they have high density. That means the packing of particles is that's very close inside the metals. And the color, most of the metals are gray in color, but gold and copper are here exceptions. So these are some of the, we can say, the physical properties of metals. After metals, we have to go through for the non-metals. We have to understand what are non-metals and what are their physical properties. In this lecture, I am just going to touch non-metals, what they are. As I said that metals are electropositive elements, here non-metals are the elements which form negative ions by gaining an electron. Thus, non-metals are known as electronegative elements. ये आपको याद रखना है. Metals are called electropositive elements, while as non-metals are known as electronegative elements. Inshallah, in the next lecture, I will come up with the physical properties of non-metals and much more. Till then, thank you very much.